Hello, my beautiful subscribers and viewers. We will be cooking a chicken vegetable stir fry today. So right now we have the garlic sauteed chicken um, in the frying pan with some oil, sesame oil, and also some olive oil, and then we have chopped onions right now with shrimps prepared with hot pepper, and then this is the vegetables that we are going to use to saute. This is frozen but defrosted, kind of hot water poured on it and prepped for it. So we're turning the chicken right now, turning it around so that it doesn't burn, and it's being covered to cook properly. So that is what is going on. You see, it's already cooking and burning, but it's that burning stuff that makes the stir fry to taste good. So right now we have poured the onions, the habanero pepper, and the chopped onions, habanero pepper, and the shrimps, and we are turning it. After which we are going to remove the chicken and dice the chicken into little cubes. That's what we're doing right here, removing the chicken. Very easy, and it's not time consuming. It's a kind of 20 minutes cooking with these ingredients. Now we are adding the oyster sauce, a little bit of it, about 1.5 tablespoons, and also the low salt and sour sauce into it. That is about 30 to 40 mils of low sodium sauce. And we are stirring it together. We use the low sodium. If you are hypertensive, you will not want to use too much salt. Even if you are not hypertensive, we use the low sodium sauce. Then we cover it, and now we have added our vegetables to it. See how good it is? Yummy. So we stir it all together. After some minutes, we've added the vegetables that we already prepared. We already blanched or hot water poured in it, and we put it ready to drain. So you see everything we put in our bouillon now, just 1 cube, because that has salt too. We already have put the sour sauce. Then we are adding the buttered garlic spices, some few spices to give it that taste. We are adding thyme as well. Okay, and then some oregano. These are good spices for the body. They are also medicinal. So we're going to stir it, let it cook for some minutes. As you see here, we're turning it real good, because the vegetables were already blanched before with hot water. You don't need to cook it too much. So you stir it in low heat until it's a little bit cooked. And here we are putting the diced chicken, garlic seasoned chicken. See how yummy it looks. Looks very yummy. We stir, leave for some minutes to cook all together. And the stir fry, it's ready. We are dishing our stir fry now, eating it with some couscous grains that we already cooked earlier on. So this is a low-carb food. The couscous doesn't have too much of carbs, and then with your vegetable, look at how nice this plate looks. Yummy. So try it at home and comment to tell me how yours went. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.